Your new car's windshield is 30% thinner than your last one, and that's not an accident. Manufacturers have quietly sacrificed your car's structural integrity, replacing thick glass with fragile chemical tempering. That shatters under the slightest thermal stress. They call it innovation, but it's actually engineered obsolescence designed to keep you paying. Today, I'm going to give you 3 exact solutions to intercept this engineered failure before it costs you $1,000. By the end of this, you will have a complete arsenal of tactics, including a ridiculously low-cost $4 trick that stabilizes microscopic fractures in seconds, and a permanent structural barrier that renders this entire fragile glass industry completely irrelevant to you. We are going to rapidly break down the convenience option for those who just want to throw $20 at the problem, the exact chemical budget hack that forces the same structural repair for pennies, and the ultimate permanent paradigm shift. But before we get to the $4 trick that changes everything, you have to understand why the expensive modern glass sitting inches from your face is actually failing you by design. But here is the part that should terrify you. We are living through a silent, highly profitable crisis of automotive material degradation. If you drove a vehicle manufactured in the 1990s, you were looking through a standard windshield that was roughly 5 to 6 millimeters thick. It consisted of robust, heavy sheets of annealed glass. That could take a direct impact from a piece of highway gravel at 70 miles per hour and walk away with a minor, highly repairable star break. Today, the game has been completely rigged to meet aggressive federal fuel economy standards and to desperately compensate for the massive, crushing battery weights of modern electric vehicles. Automotive engineers have shaved modern windshields down to barely 4 millimeters. That single millimeter of lost thickness translates to a catastrophic drop in structural rigidity. Furthermore, the windshield is no longer just a piece of curved glass designed to keep the wind out of your eyes and the bugs off your face. It is now a critical load-bearing pillar of your vehicle's structural cabin, responsible for up to 30% of the roof's crush resistance in a rollover accident. Even worse, your windshield has been weaponized against your wallet because it is now a high-tech sensor housing unit. Behind your rearview mirror sits an intricate array of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. These lane-keeping cameras, emergency braking sensors, and rain detectors require absolute optical clarity to function. When your ultra-thin glass inevitably cracks, you are not just paying for glass anymore. You are paying upwards of $1,200 for an original equipment manufacturer replacement, plus mandatory $300 camera recalibration fees to align the lasers. The industry knows exactly what they are doing. They have transformed a durable, decades-long good into a high-margin, recurring subscription model disguised as bad luck. You are told that rock chips are just an inevitable part of driving, a random act of highway physics that you simply have to accept. The mainstream narrative completely ignores the fact that this glass is manufactured under immense internal tension, waiting for an excuse to snap. Now, look closely at how this actually works. To understand how we defeat this engineered fragility, we have to go extremely granular into the exact physics of modern laminated safety glass. Your windshield is not a single pane of glass, it is essentially a highly engineered sandwich. It consists of 2 incredibly thin layers of glass permanently bonded together by a central core of polyvinyl butyryl, universally known in the chemical engineering world as PVB. This PVB interlayer is highly elastic and incredibly tough. Its primary biological and physical purpose is to keep your body inside the cabin during a high-speed collision, and to prevent the glass from shattering inward into thousands of lethal, jagged shards. However, the exact chemical and heat tempering processes used to make that outer layer of glass resistant to shattering also makes it hypersensitive to thermal shock and localized point load impacts. When a small piece of granite strikes your glass on the highway, the kinetic energy is transferred instantly into that rigid outer layer. Because this outer layer is under massive surface compression, the impact creates a microfracture, a tiny, invisible fault line where the molecular bonds of the silica dioxide have been violently severed. This is where the physics of thermal expansion step in to destroy your wallet. Glass is highly reactive to temperature. It expands when it gets hot, and rapidly contracts when it gets cold. If you get a microscopic rock chip on a Tuesday afternoon, and on Wednesday morning you blast your vehicle's defroster against the freezing exterior glass, you are creating a violent temperature differential. The inside of the glass rapidly expands from the heat, while the outside remains tightly contracted from the ambient freezing air. This immense mechanical stress zeroes in on the absolute weakest point of the entire structure, which is your tiny, seemingly harmless rock chip. The molecular tension literally rips the microfracture apart, and that tiny starburst instantly runs horizontally across your entire field of vision, severing the glass completely. This is the exact mechanism of failure. The silica bonds simply cannot handle the shear stress created by the expansion, and contraction pulling against that rigid PVB backing. You are fighting a daily war against physics and material science, but knowing this exact mechanism is exactly how we are going to reverse engineer the solution. But before I show you how to chemically weld those severed bonds back together for under $5 using a household item, let's look at the premium, off-the-shelf intercept that professionals use. This is where you leverage the convenience option, the exact premium solution for people who just want to pay a little, get it done perfectly, and walk away with a structurally sound windshield. When that initial microfracture happens, you must understand that you are on a ticking clock. The ambient moisture in the air immediately begins seeping into the microscopic cracks. If left untreated, this water will eventually freeze, expand, and degrade the PVB interlayer, delaminating the glass from the inside out. To stop this instantly, you go to any major automotive parts store and purchase a premium windshield repair kit. You are looking specifically for high-grade UV curing acrylic resin injection systems, such as the Permatex Bullseye or the Rain-X Premium Glass Repair Kit. These will run you exactly $15 to $25. You are not just buying high-end glue here, you are buying a precision mechanical delivery mechanism. These kits come with a specialized plastic pedestal and a threaded plunger syringe. You clean the impact zone meticulously with alcohol, stick the adhesive pedestal directly over the crater, attach the syringe, and pull the plunger upward to create a massive mechanical vacuum. This vacuum physically extracts the trapped air, microscopic debris, and moisture out of the deep fault lines. Once the air is purged, you force the plunger down, injecting a highly specific, optically clear liquid acrylic resin deep into the structural roots of the crack. This resin is chemically engineered to possess the exact same refractive index as automotive glass. This means that once it cures under direct ultraviolet sunlight, light passes through the resin exactly as it does through the surrounding glass, rendering the damage nearly invisible to the naked eye. More importantly, it chemically bonds to the jagged, severed edges of the silica, fully restoring the tensile strength of the outer layer so that thermal shock no longer has a weak point to exploit. One $20 kit will provide enough professional-grade resin to thoroughly seal up to 3 individual impacts, permanently neutralizing the threat of a spreading crack. But what if you were caught off guard, nowhere near an auto parts store, where you completely refuse to pay a $20 retail markup for what is essentially just a few drops of liquid acrylic? This brings us to the precise, step-by-step budget hack that uses the exact same physical mechanisms as the premium kits, but costs you literal pennies per application. The active ingredient in high-end glass repair resins is an anaerobic or UV-reactive monomer. That hardens into a plastic-like state. But you can mimic this exact structural bridging and tensile strength restoration using a highly specific household chemical, ethyl cyanoacrylate, completely ubiquitous and known to you as ultra-thin liquid superglue. For roughly $4, you can buy a tiny bottle of maximum strength liquid state cyanoacrylate at any convenience store. You must ensure it is the pure liquid, water-thin version, absolutely not the gel formulation, because we desperately need extreme capillary action to make this work. When you spot a fresh tiny rock chip, you immediately pull over. Take a Q-tip or a lint-free cloth and aggressively clean the impact zone with 91% isopropyl alcohol. This strips away all road oils, car wash waxes, and trapped moisture. The high-proof alcohol evaporates in seconds, leaving a perfectly sterile dry crater. Next, you take a single microscopic drop of the ultra-thin cyanoacrylate and place it directly into the absolute center of the chip. Because of the liquid's remarkably low surface tension, capillary action will violently pull the chemical down into the microscopic legs of the fracture, seeking out the deepest edges of the broken glass without needing a mechanical vacuum syringe. Cyanoacrylate cures rapidly in the presence of trace moisture, which is naturally present in the atmosphere and on the surface of the glass. As it polymerizes, it forms incredibly strong, rigid plastic-like chains that physically grip the microscopic topography of the shattered glass. Once it cures, which takes exactly 60 seconds, you take a fresh, single-edged steel razor blade, hold it at a perfect 45-degree angle, and gently scrape away the excess cured glue from the surface of the windshield. What remains is a perfectly flush, chemically welded microcrater. Now, because the cured cyanoacrylate has a slightly different refractive index than the surrounding silica glass, it will not be perfectly invisible like the premium acrylic resin, but the structural integrity is 100% restored. The mechanical stress of thermal expansion now hits that glued joint, disperses the energy, and holds firm. You have just saved yourself a $1,200 windshield replacement and a massive insurance headache for exactly $4. And here's the part where you stop thinking about cracked windshields for years at a time. Everything we have discussed so far is entirely reactive. You wait for the damage to occur, and then you scramble to mitigate it, before physics tears the glass apart. But the true paradigm shift requires stepping outside the consumer trap of infinite repairs, and implementing a permanent structural barrier that intercepts the kinetic energy of the rock before it ever touches your ultra-thin factory glass. This is achieved through exterior windshield protection films heavily utilized in the exotic supercar and high-end off-roading communities, but deliberately kept quiet by mainstream automotive glass replacement chains because it ruins their recurring revenue model. We are talking about optically clear, multi-layered polyethylene terephthalate films with industry-leading names like ExoShield or Clearplex. This is not standard window tint that goes on the inside of your car. This is a highly engineered, impact-absorbing, self-healing polymer armor that is heat-shrunk and adhered directly to the outside exterior of your windshield. When a jagged piece of quartz or granite hits this film at 80 miles per hour, the multi-layered polymer physically flexes, absorbing the kinetic energy and dispersing the point load impact across a vastly wider surface area. The massive energy is instantly neutralized, the rock bounces off harmlessly, and your fragile 4mm factory glass underneath remains completely unbothered and fully intact. Professionally installed, this specialized film can run upwards of $300 to $500, making it a significant one-time investment. But here is the absolute side door secret on how to acquire this permanent fix for a fraction of the cost, or sometimes completely for free if you know how to talk to people. Local high-end tinting and detailing shops buy this premium impact film in massive 50-foot bulk rolls. Every single time they meticulously cut a piece for a large luxury SUV or a massive pickup truck, they are left with substantial scrap pieces. These pieces are often large enough to perfectly cover the windshields of smaller sedans, coupes, or at the very least, they can cover the lower, highly impact-prone quadrants of your glass where the most stress occurs. If you walk into one of these independent shops, preferably with cash in hand, and speak directly to the lead installer rather than the front desk, you can specifically ask for the remnant cuts of windshield protection film, because they have already fully factored the cost of that scrap into the previous wealthy customer's invoice. That remnant piece is pure, zero-cost profit for them. You can often easily negotiate a scrap piece and a quick, off-the-books installation for under $50. You now have military-grade impact resistance guarding your engineered glass, and you never have to panic at the terrifying sound of a highway rock strike ever again. Now, before I show you the final 1-second trick that costs almost nothing, if this practical knowledge is helping you, hit like, subscribe to Forbidden Vaults, and drop a comment below with your own methods. It helps more than you know. This brings us to the final, dead simple 1-second trick that could save your windshield. When you have absolutely zero tools at your disposal. Imagine you are driving on a remote stretch of highway, a rock strikes the absolute edge of your windshield, and a tiny, jagged crack immediately begins to crawl toward the center of your vision. You have no premium resin kit, you have no ultra-thin superglue, and you are miles from a repair shop. But if you have access to a basic, cheap bottle of clear nitrocellulose nail polish, you possess the immediate chemical power to stop that crack dead in its tracks. The physics here rely on heavy solvent evaporation and incredibly rigid structural binding. You pull the car over immediately. You locate the absolute microscopic tip of the running crack. Do not look at the origin point where the rock hit, you must find the invisible leading edge, where the fracture is currently ripping the silica apart molecule by molecule. You take the brush and paint a thick, generous dab of clear nail polish directly over and slightly ahead of that leading edge. The powerful solvents in the polish, usually ethyl acetate and butyl acetate, aggressively bite into the surface of the glass while flowing deep into the microfissure. As the ambient air rapidly evaporates those heavy solvents, the nitrocellulose violently contracts and hardens into a dense shell. It creates a localized, high-tensile microscopic bridge directly across the fault line. It physically pinches the crack together with such intense, localized force that the thermal and mechanical stresses of driving simply cannot push the fracture past that hardened point. It is an instant, unyielding tourniquet for your windshield that buys you weeks of safe driving time to get home, and implement a permanent fix without the cracks spreading across your entire line of sight. So, here's the protocol. When the modern, deliberately thin automotive glass industry tries to force a massive $1,200 replacement bill on you for a tiny rock chip, you intercept the damage immediately. If you want convenience and flawless optical clarity, utilize the vacuum-sealed acrylic resin injection kits for $20. If you are on a strict budget, deploy the $4 ultra-thin cyanoacrylate hack with a razor blade to chemically weld the silica back, together in 60 seconds. If you want to break the cycle entirely, negotiate a remnant piece of exterior polyethylene terephthalate impact film from a local installer to armor the glass, permanently for pennies on the dollar. And if you are caught out on the road with a running crack, freeze the fracture instantly with a drop of high-tensile nitrocellulose clear polish. You now hold the exact blueprint to bypass their engineered fragility and keep your money in your pocket. The problem loses every time.